Thank you for tuning in. My name is Bernetta and I am the Bougie Cheapskate, and today I will be deep cleaning my refrigerator. If you find cleaning videos relaxing and or motivating, please continue to watch. Alright, I am back to close out my refrigerator deep clean video. My camera cut out on me and I'm not quite sure how much you were able to see of my reinstallation of all of my food items. But here we go. Here is the after. Okay, the number so as you can see, I now have, I had empty space on the, whoops, as you can see, I had empty space on the refrigerator door that I relocated water bottles to, and my fruit and vegetable bins at the base of the refrigerator are both empty, and leftovers are sparsely placed throughout the refrigerator. A container of cut up watermelon will be finished today, and the number of condiments that were expired is embarrassing. The bottle that I showed you with no label is something that my ex-husband left here years ago now, because like I said, he was working out of town, so I don't even know what's in the bottle. So needless to say, that is now gone, and I have a nice clean refrigerator. And believe it or not, I have cleaned my refrigerator. I really have, but I guess I just put everything back, and my kids weren't home, so I wasn't using a lot of those condiments, and they just kind of lingered. But they're gone now. Thank you so much for watching. I just want to say also that if you are like me in a season of your life where you're experiencing some decrease, some increase, and also just having to be content in some areas, just go with the flow. That's all I can say. That's all I can do is go with the flow. Yesterday, before I started that refrigerator project, I was so frustrated with that refrigerator. As y'all know, I want new appliances. These are pretty much old appliances or used appliances that I replace, you know, old appliances with, and I just have my heart's desire is brand new stainless appliances. And it just has not come together. There's always something else that takes precedence. Or, you know, sometimes I just find a better deal on something else and it ends up taking precedence because, you know, I got to follow the deal. So, no appliances for me yet. And I had to get myself together before cleaning my refrigerator because I was like, oh, I just hate this refrigerator. I want a new refrigerator. But you know, I had to have a talk with myself, and I was like, you know what? Contentment is not the refrigerator you want, but it's the refrigerator you have. Thank God, because if you didn't have a refrigerator, you don't have the money to pay for a new one. You better be grateful for this working refrigerator. Sometimes you just got to find contentment and gratefulness in what you have. It may not be everything you want it to be, but it's what you got, and it's what you need, and it's serving the purpose that you need it to serve. And you need to be grateful and content in that. Till next time, be blessed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to join the tribe. Comment below if you want to tell me about something that made you think about gratefulness and contentment in your life. What was it that you just was like, I just don't want this, but I got it, and you had to just say to self, be grateful, be content. Share with me below. Till next time.